hell? Jesus Christ.
He's got 2 rights. Something funny's
I think her discretion can be trusted. It might be that she some things the government found that happened. So are we publish some things that the government.
Oh, fuck. Oh. What an idiot.
We always have a nice time when we go up. See your auntie, don't we? Oh.
What's that?
I knew what he did there. He went in the left lane. He veered into the left when he should have stayed in the right. That was right, wasn't it?
Not be a short conversation. She bit her lower lip, a sign that she was being patient with me. If you don't tell them what's going on up here, they might make decisions on their own. Decisions we will regret. Shit. You're right, XO. Damn it.
What an absolute planker.
Tried to think of the current communication.
Where I come in. I started a job in a company providing business services to small to medium-sized businesses in the area, and both Company A and Company B became my clients.
What are you doing? What the? You're not going to back the... You're not going to... Right. Pull over where it's safe. Put the hazards on.
told
Or
me.
unless it says it's going to... I haven't copied that email address. Hang on, it's going to speak and I'll see what it says.
What in the f*** that? Are you fucking Go on then, mate. Go on, mate. Go on. Mate, go on.
Come on, fucking hell. The f*** are you doing? What the f***? Fucking hell, missus.
Whoa! He wasn't taking any prisoners in. He was on a mish. I said he was on a mish.
He nearly took that house out, I bet. Has he took that car?
Nearly took that car out. Yeah, that's what you get for
Come on.